All right, let's do Your Pain Is Mine. I'm actually kind of excited. I have not done this song yet, so let's see if I remember everything. Check.
Screams from the embers of the fire, a fading light of a lost empire. Collapse and timeless haze, lanterns below the cave, shine a light for the shadow man. The path to end the stain, littered on my grave, stay innocent, swallowed in sand. Then I crash for life, severed clean by the knife, with every cut so deep, outside the shelter slay. Dead bears of the ring of the siren's call, I hear they say in heaven, we'll never hear the song. Your pain is mine, I am you. Your pain is mine. We were one long ago, before the earth stole our souls. Your pain is mine. Every god says farewell to their sons. When the bombs come, run. Isolation in a swarm of bullets. Another invade chokes on the halos of smoke. I never saw the truth, but now I know it. Consume our sanity. We torn apart society. Then I guess alive, severed clean by the knife, with every gun so deep, brush out the sheltered slave. Dead bears of the ring of the siren's call, I hear they say in heaven, we'll never hear the song. Your pain is mine, I am you, in another life. Your pain is mine. We were one long ago, before the earth stole our souls. The gods say farewell to their sons. When the bombs come, the gods say farewell to their sons. When the bombs come. Painted pictures always seem serene, but the reality is much harsher to see. And I need you to know that help is out of my reach, or at least believe me, I wish that you find peace, but there's no action in a thought, simply lost at sea. I'm undeniable complacency and treachery, and I pray that you would give it just a chance to be free. Maybe it's time, but no, I tried. Your pain is mine. Rain, like your life deepens on it, because one day it's true. I'm sorry, child. The world wasn't there to pick up the pieces.